So the next card sleeve that we have is this one from Dragon Shield. Okay, so this comes in a pack of 100 standard size card sleeves, and it's a clear matte design. Now if we pull one of these out, these ones here are practically my favorite card sleeve. Okay, so you've got the durability of like a Elite Trainer box card sleeve, but you also have the clearness of a regular penny sleeve. So this is what the card sleeve actually looks like, and you can see that one side, so if I pull this out together, this front side is the ultra clear side, and then this back side is actually matted. So it does have texture to it where my fingertips are rubbing against. So it feels nice to hold. Now, if you compare this card sleeve with the other two card sleeves that we went with before, you've got the ultra clearness of a penny card sleeve, and then you've got like the back durability of an Elite Trainer box card sleeve, and to me that's what leads to this Dragon Shield card sleeve. So if we actually go ahead and insert a card inside of here, it's very easy to insert compared to the Elite Trainer box card sleeves. You can see here that this is what it looks like. So it's ultra clear, and it's not as like covered as the Elite Trainer box card sleeves in my opinion. Like this one here, I don't get like a crystal clear image of my card, whereas this one here, it's ultra clear. Now on the back, you can see that it's matted. Okay, so it has a nice feel to it. It has a nice texture when you're actually holding a card. And likewise, if you do hit a corner with this card, it feels very protected. Okay, so would I feel comfortable protecting my cards with this Dragon Shield card sleeve? Before I actually got this Dragon Shield card sleeve, I was a bit hesitant at first, thinking like how different can card sleeves be when I already have a bunch of Elite Trainer box card sleeves. And I must say I really like these card sleeves. Okay, again, you've got the ultra clearness of the front, which you have with the regular penny card sleeve, but then you also have the nice matted texture back, which just makes it feel nice to hold, and it does protect your cards when it comes to actually banging on the corners and such. Now if we look at the actual indentation, I'm not sure if this differs from card sleeve to card sleeve, but you can see that there's almost non-existent way for like dirt and debris to get in. If you compare that to an Elite Trainer box card sleeve, like it's very slightly open as compared to these Dragon card sleeves that you see right over here. So very pleased with that aspect, in which it's gonna be very hard for dust and debris to actually get inside of here. But this really does the trick though, I must say. So with that, let's go ahead and move on to the last card sleeve.